In 2025, luxury cars are no longer just about power, speed, or elegant design. They are becoming intelligent companions on the road. Thanks to artificial intelligence, luxury vehicles are now capable of learning from drivers, predicting needs, and even making decisions in real time. In this video, we'll explore the smartest luxury cars of 2025 and discover how AI is transforming the driving experience. In this video, we'll explore the smartest luxury cars of 2025 and discover how AI is transforming the driving experience. In 2025, luxury cars are no longer just about power, speed, or elegant design. They are becoming intelligent companions on the road. In this video, we'll explore the smartest luxury cars of 2025 and discover how AI is transforming the driving experience. In 2025, luxury cars are no longer just about power, speed, or elegant design. They are becoming intelligent companions on the road. Thanks to artificial intelligence, luxury vehicles are now capable of learning from drivers, predicting needs, and even making decisions in real time. Mercedes has always led innovation, and the EQS proves it. Feature: 56-inch MBUX hyperscreen powered by AI. AI capabilities, learns driver habits and adjusts navigation, music, and comfort automatically. Luxury, sustainable materials, and whisper-quiet EV driving. The EQS feels less like a car and more like a personal assistant on wheels. The BMW i7 combines ultra-luxury with cutting-edge AI assistant voice-controlled system that learns tone, preferences, and driving habits. Entertainment, 31-inch 8K theater screen for rear passengers. Sustainability, all-electric flagship luxury sedan. The i7 proves that the future of luxury is both smart and entertaining. Audi's flagship sedan, the A8, is equipped with predictive AI. AI function, learns daily routines, suggests routes, adjusts climate, and sets seat position automatically. Driver assistance, semi-autonomous AI driving in certain conditions. Interior, sleek, minimalist design with futuristic controls. The A8 brings intelligence and comfort together in perfect harmony. Tesla continues to dominate with its AI-driven luxury sedan. AI autopilot, constantly learning and updating via over-the-air updates. Performance, 0-60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Interior, minimalist, futuristic cockpit with AI voice control. Tesla proves that AI isn't just about comfort, it's about pushing performance and safety to new levels. Ferrari's first SUV, the Purosangue, integrates AI while keeping Ferrari's spirit alive. AI function, active suspension with predictive adjustments. Luxury, Italian craftsmanship blended with smart systems. Performance, powerful V12 engine paired with AI handling. The Purosangue combines raw power with futuristic intelligence. Lexus presents the LFZ as a luxury EV concept focused on intelligence. AI assistant, learns driver emotions and adjusts mood lighting, music, and drive mode. Design, sleek futuristic lines with a focus on minimalism. Performance, fully electric with next-gen autonomous features. This Lexus concept shows how AI can create an emotional bond between car and driver. The Spectre is Rolls-Royce's first fully electric luxury coupe. AI focus, predictive climate and seat adjustment based on driver behavior. Luxury, handcrafted interior, futuristic digital systems. The Spectre proves that even timeless brands are embracing intelligent luxury. Philosophy, quiet, intelligent, and sustainable ultra-luxury. Trends in smart luxury cars. AI assistants, cars that talk and learn like digital butlers. Predictive driving, vehicles that anticipate your every move. Sustainability plus luxury, electric power combined with intelligence. Personalization, cars adapting to mood, style, and preferences. The luxury car of 2025 is no longer just driven, it drives with you. By 2030, luxury cars will become fully autonomous, with AI systems capable of real-time learning, emotional intelligence, and even biometric health monitoring. The future of driving will be safer, more personalized, and more luxurious than ever before. Smart luxury cars are not just transportation, they are intelligent companions redefining the meaning of luxury. To be LM Koyelgia KTBH and top electric SUVs of 2025 inches well and classic cars reimagined with modern tech. Smart luxury cars are not just transportation, they are intelligent companions redefining the meaning of luxury. In the past decade, SUVs transformed from family haulers into the ultimate sign of wealth and innovation. Today, ultra-luxury SUVs combine power, elegance, and cutting-edge tech. Over the next 5 minutes, we explore 2025's most prestigious models and what sets them apart. First up, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the crown jewel of luxury SUVs. It carries phantom DNA into an all-terrain palace on wheels. Hand-stitched leather, Wood veneers and a starlight headliner define its bespoke cabin. Under the hood, a 6.75L twin-turbo V12 and about 563 horsepower deliver refined performance. Next, the Bentley Bentayga extended wheelbase, crafted for those who prefer to be chauffeured. Rear seats offer airline-spec comfort, 22-way adjustability, heating, cooling, and massage. Technology and premium sound complete the flying first-class experience on 4 wheels. Power ranges up to a W12 or twin-turbo V8, delivering up to roughly 626 horsepower. Then the Lamborghini Urus Performante, a super SUV that puts speed first. Lightweight materials and bold design cues give it a supercar presence. A 4.0L twin-turbo V8 yields around 657 horsepower and explosive acceleration. It hits 0 to 60 in about 3.3 seconds. Proof that practicality and adrenaline can coexist. Aston Martin's DBX 707 brings supercar performance to an SUV frame. Its 4.0L twin-turbo V8 pushes about 697 horsepower, with 0-60 in roughly 3.1 seconds. Inside, hand-stitched leather and bespoke finishes keep the driving experience premium. DBX 707 blends speed with sophistication for driving purists who need space. The Range Rover SV remains the benchmark for British off-road luxury. Executive seating and a 3D premium sound system bring comfort and calm everywhere. Advanced off-road modes let it tackle harsh terrain without sacrificing luxury. Powerful V8 capability meets refined design. Functionality that feels regal. Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 turns an SUV into a first-class lounge on wheels. Reclining massage seats, Napa leather and personalized settings define Maybach comfort. MBUX with voice personalization and advanced driver assistance elevate the experience. Its engineering and indulgence combined for those who demand the best. Ferrari's Purosangue brings a V12 heart to the SUV world. A 6.5L naturally aspirated V12 produces around 715 horsepower. Inside, racing DNA meets luxury, light, focused, and intensely refined. It sprints to 60 in about 3.3 seconds, an SUV with a supercar soul. Market trends show luxury SUVs now represent over 60% of luxury car sales. Buyers demand eco-conscious performance, pushing brands toward hybrid and electric models. Customization is the new status symbol. Bespoke finishes make each SUV unique. Luxury SUVs are less about size and more about personality and exclusivity. Looking ahead, electric powertrains and autonomous driving will reshape luxury cabins into lounges. Imagine SUVs that drive themselves while passengers work or relax in mobile offices. Manufacturers like Rolls-Royce and Bentley are already developing electric versions of their icons. The future is electric, sustainable, and more luxurious than ever. Which topic should we cover next? Luxury electric SUVs or concept cars of the future?